So till now we have created different campaigns under conversions or considerations. Okay. So awareness was under brand awareness and reach campaign came under the awareness campaign, and other campaigns like traffic, engagement, app installation, video views, lead generation, messengers. All these category came under the consideration, and now the three different actions we have. They are conversions, catalog sales, and store traffic. Okay, so conversion is basically related to sales. Okay, so you need to display your advertisement to people. Okay, who may potentially take valuable actions like clicking, purchasing. Okay, using a payment gateway and all other options. Okay, indirectly, if you want to sell something online, when people want to click and make a payment, we go with the conversion score. Okay, so for e-commerce product, we have a catalog goals, and for driving people to this location, we have a store traffic goals. So let us go with the conversions goal here. Okay, so as usual, like any other campaign, okay, name your campaign. Okay, so like DMC conversion is what I'm going to name it now. You can name it like anything because it is only for internal reference. Okay, now let me click on continue. Okay, so it is not a special advertisement also. Okay, the campaign is campaign bidding is automatically chosen. No alpha beta testing. Okay, so we are not using campaign budget level because we are going for the ad set level. Okay, now here comes the option of conversions. Okay, do you want to drive visitors to a website where the lead form or the product or anything is available on that website? So people will be clicking on the link, they will be taken to the website. From there they can either fill up a form, or they can make a purchase, or they can sign up or subscribe, whatever it may be. Or do you want to drive them to an application, an app, which means your Android app or iOS application, or you want to drive the visitors to the messenger, or you want to drive them to your WhatsApp. Okay, so automatically people can come to your WhatsApp and they can chat with you. This option is what we have. Okay, so preferably people use the conversions with the website. Okay, rarely people have an application, but there are people who build their business using mobile apps only. For example, the applications like Redbus, Tickets New. Okay, so they direct people to the ticket booking website. So people will go ahead and book the ticket on their application. Okay. So you can use Messenger if you don't have your own app. If you don't have your own website or application, you can use a WhatsApp. Okay, like this. So whichever is the option that you want, you can choose it. Okay. So let us go with the website. And there is something called a pixel. Okay, we'll be discussing about pixel and installing the pixel little later. Okay, there's something called a pixel. So Facebook pixel. So this is a tracking code used to track the performance of the goal or the user activities on your website. Okay, so it says there is one pixel which is being installed. Okay, it's asking to create an event. Choose an event. Okay, so there are different events that we can create. Okay, so the event is something like add to cart, okay, or add payment info, or complete registration. Okay, let me go with the complete registration, which means the people needs to come and they need to complete the registration by filling up the form. Okay, so it may not be optimized for conversation because we have not received an activity from the conversation that you have selected past 14 days. Okay, which means my website is under tracking by Facebook pixel, and it says based on the registration completion we did not receive any activity, so you may not be able to get a goal. Okay, so it says view the pixel. Okay, view pixel in the sense the code. Okay, so I have a pixel. Okay, e-commerce and retail. Okay, automation, education, entertainment. I need to select whichever the category I want, and I need to select the event of add to cart or add payment information or purchase or subscribe, whatever it may be, and click on done to get the event. So go to test events. Okay, I've already added some codes here. Okay, so because of which it is telling me. Okay, so it is already having or collecting some information. So Amudhakumar's pixel. Okay, e-info dot information. There are several pixels available. Okay, now if I go to my sources, okay, Amudhakumar's pixel, whichever is being created, I have created a goal of page view add to wish list, add to cart, and view content. So these are the four things which I'm tracking. So I'm having a page view option, which means like when a person comes, visits a particular link, okay, that means that page view is counted, okay, or add to cart. So there are five leads received in this 7 days ago, okay, five leads. Okay, so add to cart. So I have an option of add to cart. If I'm selling a product, I can go over and click on add to cart button. But if I want to make people to come to a page alone, okay, that's basically page view. So I 1 hour ago there is a visitor who came to my website, so I can see people who are coming to my website. Okay, so just to accomplish this goal campaign creation, I will go with page view goal. Okay, okay, so here instead of going for completing registration, okay, I can go with the page view goal, payment information, complete registration, contact, find location, purchase, submit, view content, complete registration, contact. Okay, let me go with this one, view content. View content is also not, it's saying there is no visitors coming in. Active events are only one. So these are all inactive. Okay. So let me go with add to wish list. So this is the goal which is right now active on my pixel, which is tracking. If I want, I can define new that we will be seeing it little separately. Okay, so dynamic creative, any offer we are running now. So budget we need to fix it based on your requirement. Okay, go with the budget of your daily budget or your total budget or lifetime budget of your choice. Okay, so the start and end date. Now with 800 rupees you get around 5 to 15 leads. Okay, try to edit or modify this cost approximately per 1000 budget. Same it goes to 7 to 19 leads. Okay, some 1500 rupees budget, 10 leads. Now approximately it depends how much money you want to spend. Less than 10 leads, 800 rupees is approximately 5 to 15 leads. You get approximately 5 to 15 leads per day and you can generate business for your client. Okay. As usual, like you define your audience, like your location, age, gender, they are targeting. Okay. The real talent lies in the detailed targeting. Okay. So learn to type the relevant keyword. What I'm doing right now is the digital marketing and I click on this suggestions option. Okay, automatically it is going to suggest me some options related to digital marketing. Okay, so there's a lot digital marketing interest. Select at least one and again, so go ahead and click on the suggestions option and you'll be seeing other options related to digital marketing. So this is the method of finding out a relevant audience for your businesses. Okay, so this is just a small technique which I'm using it here. Okay, okay. Again, placements, manual placements or automatic placements. It is a good idea to leave it at automatic placement, but if you want to do some operations to see the reach and the conversions, you have to try manual placements and try different combination. Okay, you need to try different combination like Facebook, Instagram. All the platforms, four platforms are selected to be shown. Let us try with only with messenger. I mean like Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and messenger remains a similar one. Okay, only with Facebook and Instagram. Okay, it is getting reduced only with Instagram 5 to 15 leads. Okay, only with sorry Facebook. Okay, now this is only with Instagram 2 to 12 leads. Okay, no, so Facebook and Instagram combination says 4 to 12 leads. Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger combination says 4 to 12 leads. Okay, but there is a increase in the reach with the audience network. Okay, 5 to 15 leads. Okay, so we can give it a try. So it is a good idea to go with automatic placements here. Okay, so we can scroll down and see this option. Okay, so we go with automatic placement and click next. So select your preferred pages. If you see, almost every advertisement campaign is similar to each other, almost 90%. Okay, so they are similar to each other and
That
yes, sir.